Mr. Hugh Jones, member for Darling Range, Your Worship, Mayor Ruth Butterfield, Deepak Sharma ji, President ISWA, Divya ji from ISWA, Pradeep ji, Ramesh ji, and the rest of the committee of the Marathi Association of Perth, MAP members, MAP boys, girls, young students, young fellows. Thank you. Good afternoon. First of all, thank you for inviting us to be a part of your celebration of this Shiv Jayanti today. I have been coming to these, I think, since when you started, was it 8-10 years ago? And I'm happy to see that some people who were this small those days are now comparing the whole program, are now participating in the programs, are now leading most of the activities that are happening here today. It is wonderful to see our young children grow. It is also wonderful to see your community grow. I remember when you started, we had a small hall. We had like maybe 20 people, and now we have grown to this, and we are still keeping on growing. Excellent, all the, the preparations for today. When I look at your backdrop, I understand that this was all hand-painted by your members. It took 2-3 months to build all this, to make all this. And you have also replicated the images found in the Ellora Ajanta caves at the bottom. It is a way of keeping our traditions, our cultures alive, of transmitting them to our children. Some of the speeches I heard today, little boys and girls this big, come here and told us last year we went to Maharashtra, I went and visited Mahaji, Chhatrapati Shivaji, these fort, and told us history of the fort. Again, great to see that you parents are taking your children back home and letting them know of your culture, letting them not forget where we came from, while at the same time assimilating into this wonderful, beautiful country of Australia, and especially the city of Armadale. So it is good to see all this happening, and I hope, thank you again for inviting us here to participate with you, to partake in this celebration, and we hope you grow into a much bigger organization and keep your cultures and our traditions and our language alive at the same time. Thank you.